guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're looking for a quick and easy dessert, look no further than this incredibly delicious 3-ingredient Hershey's pie. It's so creamy and delicious with so many different textures. Everybody will be going back for seconds and nobody knows it only took you 2 minutes to prepare. Now let's get started. For this very simple dessert, you will need these 3 ingredients. We have here an Oreo pie crust, 8 ounces of defrosted Cool Whip, and 3 Hershey's candy bars. I'm going to be simply popping this chocolate into the microwave. You're going to be stirring it every few seconds until it's melted, being careful not to overheat it. And once it's this silky smooth consistency, go ahead and add all of that chocolate right into the thawed Cool Whip. Mix it around to fully incorporate it in, and of course you could substitute this Cool Whip for some freshly whipped cream with a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. This pie is very customizable. Use any other melted candies to make this a peanut butter Reese's or Snickers pie. For those of you who are new to my channel, I post quick and easy recipes every other day. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on them. Now once it's fully incorporated in, I'm going to go ahead and take that Oreo pie crust and pour all of that delicious chocolate whip right inside. And this pie is ready as is. But since that was so quick and easy, you're probably going to want to add a little extra, right? Once it's evenly layered all over that crust, I'm going to be adding some freshly whipped cream that I had from another recipe, and I'm going to be grating a little bit of that reserved chocolate right over the top. This pie has the perfect amount of sweetness, and together with that crispy cookie crust is just heavenly. I like to keep one on hand in the freezer, so whenever you need a quick dessert, just pull it out before dinner and it'll serve up to 6 people. Whip one up this holiday season, serve it with a few fresh berries, and I know for sure everybody's gonna go crazy over your pie. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes. Thanks for watching.
Driving me crazy. Yeah, you know that I want you.